called multiple sclerosis because multiple areas of the brain or spinal cord are attacked, and depending on where the attack occurs, you have different symptoms. The drug sells $4 billion a year. Sales worldwide, a year's supply of it costs about $25,000. So there's approximately 20 to 25% of the individuals taking this drug who may not benefit at all. We didn't have a good rationale for deciding what first-line drug to use, and we didn't know why they might not be responding and why some people were good responders. We have different types of white blood cells that cause inflammation. And just for the sake of the discussion, one of those types of white blood cells is called Th1. And the other type that immunologists are very interested in is called Th17. To our surprise and amazement, it made the Th17 form of EAE worse. The animals, instead of becoming able to walk again, developed worse paralysis, whereas the animals that were genetically identical but induced with the Th1 lymphocytes got better. In a sense, they were throwing away their crutches and walking normally. And lo and behold, if you're high in IL-17, you will not respond to beta-interferon. So the results in man were entirely congruent with the results that we saw in the mouse. So that was really quite exciting. If it holds up, there will be a predictive test that will tell a person whether or not they should take beta-interferon in the first place, or perhaps use that other drug, Copaxone. And then there's several new drugs that are about to be approved, so one will have choices that you can make, and hopefully the choices now will be guided by, at least for beta-interferon, a predictive test.